Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted photos or videos from your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you've deleted some photos or videos and however you want to restore it, then let me show you how to do this. So your Samsung S25 Ultra has a recycle bin, and that basically keeps your deleted photos for 30 days. After 30 days, it gets deleted and it gets removed from your phone. However, if you want to restore them, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up your gallery app. Next, tap on menu, then tap on recycle bin. From here, this will show you all your photos and videos that you have deleted. You have 30 days in where you can basically restore them. So to restore them, go ahead and select the one that you want to restore. So for example, this one here, tap on it and then tap on restore. Now, once that image has been restored, it'll be basically placed back into the gallery and you'll be able to see it here. So there you go, guys. That is how to restore an image or a video on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.